Hello students, welcome to my maths class once again. So in the last class I have done up to exercise 8C of chapter number 8 and I have completed up to 8C. Now I shall start exercise 8D. So So before starting exercise 8D I need to discuss a small topic that is called what? Reciprocal. So what is reciprocal of a number? What is reciprocal of a number? Okay, reciprocal of a number means what? Two numbers are reciprocals of each other if their product is what? 1. If their product is what? 1. That means what? Suppose if I say 3, if I write an example 3 and if I write the reciprocal of 3, what? That to get 1, what should be multiplied with 3? Yes, it is what? 1 by 3. 1 by 3. So if I cancel, then remain what? 1. So what? To get what? 1 as a answer. Suppose a number is given 4. Okay, a number is given what? 4. So from 4 I need to get the answer what? From 4 I need to get the answer what? As 1. So what should be multiplied with 4? Yes, it is what? 1 by 4. So if I cancel, then what? I shall get what? 1. So the reciprocal of 4 will be 1 by 4. The reciprocal of 3 will be 1 by 3. Like this, the reciprocal of 2 will be 1 by 2. The reciprocal of 8 will be 1 by 8. The reciprocal of 10 will be 1 by 10. The reciprocal of 1000 will be 1 by 1000, like this. That is what? Like this. And for a fraction, if you see, these are the whole numbers. And for a fraction, just what? The reciprocal of the fraction will be what? Interchange. The numerator will become what? Denominator, and the denominator will become what? Numerator. See, let us take an example. Suppose 3 by 5. Okay. So what? 3 by 5. So what is the reciprocal of this fraction 3 by 5? Yes, it is what? 5 by 3. It is what? 5 by 3. It is what? 5 by 3. That means what? It just get interchange. The fraction get what? Interchange here. Okay, that means what? The numerator will become denominator and the denominator will become what? Numerator. So this is the what? Reciprocal of that one. Understood? Okay. And one thing you remember, the reciprocal of 1 is again 1 and 0 doesn't have any reciprocal. You remember this one. Reciprocal of 1 is again 1. You remember this one. And 0 doesn't have any reciprocal. 0 doesn't have any reciprocal. So remember this one. So again let me explain. So what? The reciprocal of a whole number. Okay. That is a natural number without fraction. Okay. The numbers without fractions, that is what? Natural numbers or whole numbers, what we say? The reciprocal of any natural number, that is 4, 5, 6, 7. This will be what? Only 1 by 4, 1 by 5, 1 by 6, 1 by 7, like this. You should what? Divide the what? You should divide 1 by the number. You should divide 1 by the number. And if you get fraction, then you just interchange the fraction. Make the numerator as denominator and make the numerator what? Numerator as denominator, as like this one. Okay. Suppose 3 by 5. So if I take 8 by 11, so it will be what? 11 by 8. If I take 100 by 112, then it will be 112 by 100. So it is like this. Just what? Just you interchange the what? Fractions, and that after interchanging the fractions, whatever the fraction we get, that will be the required reciprocal of the given fraction, and that will be the answer. Okay, now let's begin with the exercise, that is 8D. So see the first question, what is there? Write the reciprocal of 3 by 5. So what? Reciprocal of 3 by 5 will be 5 by 3. It is very easy. So write. So question number 1, you see, write the reciprocal of. So directly write the answer. Okay. So reciprocal of what? 3 by 5. So reciprocal of 3 by 5 will be 5 by 3. Okay. Now Then what? B. Come to B. What is there? 2 by 3. Okay. So what? Come to B. It is what? 2 by 3. 2 by 3. So 2 by 3 will be what? 3 by 2. The what? What? The fraction will get what? Interchange. 7 by 8. It will be what? 8 by 7. Okay. Then D. 12 by 5. It will be what? 5 by 12. Now what? Then E. What is there? 1 by 8. 1 by 8. Actually what it is? What? 8 by 1. So 8 by 1, what we write generally? We write what? It is 8. 1 by 8 we need to write, but 8 by 1 we can write what? 8. 8 by 1 means what? 8. So I can directly write what? 8. Okay. Now come to F. What? 1 by 10. So 1 by 10, that means what? 10 by 1. So 10 by 1 I can write what? Directly? 10. Okay. So come to question number 2. 2 by 3. 2 by 3. So what? 2 by 3, that means what? First you break this fraction, mixed fraction. 3 to the 6 and 1. Sorry, 3 to the 6 and numerator 2. 6, 7, 8. 8 by 3. So now you what? Interchange this one. It will be what? 3 by 8. It will be what? 3 by 8. Now come to B. 2A. 2B, what is there? 3, 1 by 4. So 3 4 is 12 and 1 13. This will be what? 13 by 4, and the reciprocal will be what? 4 by 13. 4 by what? 13. So like this C you can do. Okay. Now come to D. D, what is there? 5. So reciprocal of 5 will be what? Here you see nothing is there. That means what? 1 is there. So it will go up. 1 will go up, and we shall write what? 1 by 5. It's like this one. You see 8 by 1 means what? 8 I can write. So 5. So 5 means what? Actually 5 by 1. So if I what? Interchange, then I'll get what? 1 by 5. I'll get what? 1 by 5. So like this, in case of E, what is there? 6 is there. So it will be what? 1 by 6. Okay. Now F, what is there? In F, 1 is there. So the reciprocal of 1 is again what? 1. You remember this one. Reciprocal of 1 is what? Again 1. Reciprocal of 1 is what? Again 1. And 0 doesn't have any reciprocal. You remember that one. Now come to question number 2. 3. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the what? Fill in the blanks. 3 by 14 into 14 by 3. It is what? 1. We know. That means what? 3 by 14 and 14 by 3 are the reciprocals. So we know that whenever we multiply the reciprocal of a number with that number, then the what? Then the product we get what? It is what? 1. So in this case same it is. Okay. That is what? To get 1, just write the reciprocal of the given number, you will get what? 1. Just what? Just multiply the what? Reciprocal of the given number, you will get 1. Suppose to get one answer, suppose this is what? 4. And with 4, you want to get answer as 1. So what should be multiplied? You just multiply the reciprocal of 4. The reciprocal of 4 is what? 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 when you cancel, then you will get what? 1. Okay. That is what? To get answer 1. What should be multiplied with a given number? Just you multiply the reciprocal of the given number, you will get what? 1. Okay, understood? I hope you have understood. Now come to 3. A. 3 by 14 into 14 by 3. So what? 3 by 14 into 14 by 3. You see, these are the reciprocals. You see 3 by 14, 3 1. 3 by 14. 3 by 14 into what? 14 by 3. 3 by 14 into 14 by 3. You see 3 by 14. And the reciprocal of 3 by 14 is 14 by 3. So obviously the answer will be what? 1. It is what? 1. How? 3 will get cancelled. 14 will what? Get cancelled. As we have done these things in exercise of what? 8B, 8C. Okay. So what? So this is what? So the answer will be what? 1. Okay. Now come to B. In B, what is there? 52 by what? 5 by 22. 5 by 22 into 4, 2 by 5. It is how much we need to find. So you see 5 by 22 into what? 4 5 are 20. Again 22 by 5. So it is what? 22 get cancelled. 5 get cancelled. So answer we are getting what? 1. So here will be what? Here will be 1. That means what? This 5 by 22, the reciprocal of 5 by 22 is what? 4 2 by 5. It is what? It is written in what? In mixed fraction. Nothing more than that. Actually, it is the reciprocal of 5 by 22. 4 2 by 5 is the reciprocal of 5 by 22. Just it is written in what? Mixed fraction. So if I break this one, I will get this 22 by 5, which is the reciprocal of 5 by 12, 5 by 22. And if we cancel, then we will get what? 1 answer. So here will be what? Answer will be what? 1. Now you see 7 by 25. Number C given, you see 7 by 25. So what? 7 by 25. So what? 7 by 25. Now the question is that what? 7 by 25 is there. Now what should be multiplied with 7 by 25 to get 1? To get 1. Yes, just I have discussed that. You just multiply the reciprocal of this fraction. Reciprocal of this 7 by 12 will be what? 7 by 25 will be what? 25 by 7. So multiply 25 by 7. So it is what? If you cancel, you will get what? Answer 1. So this is the what required fraction. Okay. So now come to question number D. So question number D, what is there? Dash into 3 1 by 3 equals to what? 1. That means what? With this 3 1 by 3, what should be multiplied? Yes, the reciprocal of this. So you see what should be there? 3 3 are 9 and 1 10. 10 by 3. So if it is 10 by 3, to get 1, we need to what? We need to multiply the reciprocal of this 10 by 3. It will be what? 3 by 10. So answer will be what? 3 by 10. So this is the what required answer. 3 by 10 is the what required answer. Okay. Now come to question number 4. Divide 3 1 by 3 by 2. 1 by 3 by 2. 1 by 3 by 2. So see 1 by 3 by 2. So how to divide? You see question number 4a. 1 by 3 by 2. By means what here? Divide. So what? 1 by 3 by means what? Divide. Then what? Then write 2. Then we put the what? So what? In case of division, we replace the what? Division symbol by multiplication, and we take the what? Reciprocal of these 2. The reciprocal of 2 is what? 1 by 2. As I said earlier, it is what? 1 by 2. So I write what? 1 by 2. It is what? 1 by 2. Now you multiply, or you see whether they get cancelled or not, whether they can be taken in the lowest form or not. If it is not possible, then multiply the numerator and the what? And the denominator. So here in this case what? It is not possible to take them in the lowest term. So what? We multiply the numerator and denominator. So see, 1 into 1 by 3 into 2. So it is what? 1 by 6. And this 1 by 6 is the what? Required answer. Now come to question number B. 2 by 7 by 4. 2 by 7 by 4. 2 by 7 by 4. So what? 2 by 7 by means what? Division and 4. So what? We replace this division symbol by multiplication and taking the reciprocal of this number, that is what? 4. And taking the reciprocal of this number, that is what? 4. So the reciprocal of 4 is what? 1 by 4. So write what? I 1 by 4. Now you check whether they get cancelled or not. Yes, in this case what? They get cancelled. How? With 2 I can divide 4. 2 2s are 4. So 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So the remaining fractions remain 1 into 1, 7 into 2. It is what? 1 by 14. And that is the what? Required answer. I hope you got the answer. Okay. Next, move to the next question. 9 by 16 by 9. 9 by 16 by 9. 9 by 16 by 9. So what we'll do? 9 by 16 we'll write first and in place of by I shall put division symbol, then I shall write what? 9. Then after that what? 9 by 16. Then what? In place of division I shall use multiplication, then I shall take the reciprocal of 9. It is what? 1 by 9. Now you see 9 get cancelled, so I can cancel it. Okay, so remain what? 1 by 16. 1 by 16. Now this cannot be divided further. That is what? I cannot take them to the lowest term, so that is the required answer. Now come to question number 6. So in question number 6, what is there? Okay, sorry, question number 5. So in question number 5, what is there? So from every one I shall solve 2. Okay, rest you can solve, no problem. 3 by, for every type I'll go. For different type I'll go, and for same type I'll show 2. Okay, 3 by 9 by 10. So what? 3 in place of by I shall what? Do this one, then 9 by 10. So it will be what? 3 into this will get interchanged, 10 by 9. Now I can cancel. 3 1 jar 3, 3 3 jar 9. It is what? 10 by 3. So 10 by 3 is a what? 10 by 3 is a improper fraction, so I shall take into what? Mixed fraction. 3, then how much? 3 3s are 9, remain 1. Okay, so 3 1 by 3 is the what? Required answer. 3 1 by 3 is the what? Required answer. Now come to question number. Come to question number B. Okay, let me show. Question number B, 9 by 6 by 17. Okay, so it will be what? 9 divided by 6 by 17. So it will be 9 into 17 by 6. So cancel. 6, 3 2 jar 6, 3 3 jar 9. So it is what? 51 by 2. Okay, it is what? 51 by 2. So 51 by 2 I can write in mixed fraction like this. 25 2 jar 50, remain 1. Okay, now come to C. In C, what is there? 15 by 5 by 12. 15 by 5 by 12. So it is what? 15 divided by 5 by 12. Okay, now 15 into 12 by 5. 15 into what? 15 into 12 by 5. Now what? Sorry, 12 by 15. 15 by 5 by 12. 15 by 5 by 12. So now you can what? Get cancel. 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15. So remain 3 into 12. It is what? 36. So 36 is the what? Required answer. So what? 36 is the what? Required answer. Okay. So now come to question number 6. So see question number 6, what is there? So in question number 6, what is there? So question number 6a, what is there? 7 1 by 3 by 11. 7 1 by 3 by 7 1 by 3 by 11. So it will be like this. You break this first mixed fraction. 3 7 are 21. 22 by 3 by means this one division. So 22 by 3 into what? It will be 1 by 11. If we take the reciprocal of 11, then what? 1 by 11, as I said earlier, as I discussed earlier. Now 11 are 11, 11 2 are 22. So 2 by 3 is the required answer. 2 by 3 is the what? Required answer. Now come to question number B. So question number B, what is there? 2 by 7, sorry, this one, number 7. So what? 5 by 5, 2 by 5, then by what? 18. By what? 18. 5, 2 by 5, by what? 18. So 5 to 25, 26, 27. 27 by 5 divided by what? 18. So it will be 27 by 5 into 1 by 18. Now this one I can cancel with 3. 3 6 are 18 and 3 9 are 27. Again 2 3 are 6 and 3 3 are 9. So it is what? 3 by 5 2 are 10. So 3 by 10 is the what? Required answer. Now come to C. In C what is there? 9 by 16 divided by, sorry, this one 7. 7 by 4 3 by 8. 7 by 4 3 by 8. So it is what? 7 divided by 4 3 by 8, that is what? 32. 10 35. 35 by 8. Then 7 divided by, sorry, 7 into, it will go 8 by 35. 5 1s are 5, 5 7s are 35. So it is what? 8 by 7. So it is improper. So 7 1s are 7 and 1. 1 by 7 is the what? Required answer. Wait, question number 6. 7 by 4 3 by 8. 4 3 by 8. Sorry, this one 5. Okay, this one what? 5. Okay, so it will be what? If I divide with 5, then 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. Okay, so I cannot give. So what? 5 1s are 5, then remain what? 5 6 7 5 3. Okay, so 1 3 by 5. 1 3 by 5 is the what? Required answer. Now come to question number 7. So in question number 7 you will find both are fractions. So in question number 7, so question number 7a, what is there? 4 by 9 divided by 2 by 3. Okay, so 4 by 9 into 3 by 2. Okay, that means what? Just I will replace this one. So 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. It is what? 2 by 3. Remain what? 2 by 3. Okay, now come to B. B, what is there? 7b, what is there? 2 by 7 divided by what? 4. So it will be 2 by 7 into 1 by 4, because what? I have just taken the reciprocal. So what? Now 2 1s are 2, 28. Okay, or you can, sorry, you can take into lowest term. 2 2s are 4. Okay, so 1 by 14. So 1 by 14 is the what? Required answer. Okay, now come to question number C. So like this, all are in the same process. Okay, these all are same. Okay, so 9 by 16 divided by, 9 by 16 divided by what? 9. 9 by 16 divided by 9. So it will be what? 9 by 16 into 1 by 9. Now 9 this 9 cancel, remain 1 by 16, and that is the what? Required answer. Now come to 8. So in 8 what is there? From 8 9 10 I shall solve only 2 2. Okay, these all are same process. So in 8 what is there? 2 2 by 5. 2 2 by 5 divided by 8 by 5. 8 by 5. So 2 5 are 10 and 1 12. 12 by 5 into 5 by 8. Just I what interchange this. Okay, into what 5 by 8. So now 5 5 cancel. This one 4 2 are 8, 6 2 are 12. Again 2 2 are 4, 2 3 are 6. So 3 by 2. That is what 1 1 by 2. 1 1 by 2. If I take into what mixed fraction. Now come to last one. Okay, last one you see. Ten 3 by 8 divided by 5 by 36. Okay, so last one you see 80 83. 10 8s are 80, 83 by 8 into what 36 by 5. 36 by what 5. Now you see this one I can cancel. 4 2s are 8, 18 2s are 36. Again 2 2s are 4, 2 9s are 18. Okay, so this one will be what like this 83. Now I cannot divide further. So 9 3s are 27. Remain 2. 8 9s are 72, 73, 74. By what 5 2s are 10. Here 5 2s are 10. Now what? Now what you take into what mixed fraction. So you do like this 7 4 7. 7 4 7. You do like this with 10. 10 7s are what? 10 7s are what? 10 7s are 70. Then what? 4 7. Okay. Then 10 4s are 40. Remain what 7. So I can write this one 10. Then this one 74. 74 by what? This one's 74 7 by 10. 74 7 by 10. Okay. Now come to question number 9. Okay. Nine A. What is there? 9 you see 3 by 16 divided by 7. 7 3 by 8. 7 3 by 8. Okay. 3 by 16 divided by 7 3 by 8. So 3 by 16. Then this one you first you what? Break. 56 56 57 58 59. So 59 by 8 if you break this one. So 3 by 16, then it will be 8 by 59. Okay, so now cancel. 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16. This one with 3 I cannot cancel. This one what? With 3 I cannot cancel. So it will be what like this. 9 2s are 18 and 5 2s are 10 and 1 11. 118 by 3. That will be the answer. 118 by 3 by 118. So now come to question number 9. Which one is big? Let me show. Okay, come to C. It is big. So see what is there. 9C what is there? 10 by 33. 10 by 33 divided by how much? 2 8 by 11. 2 8 by 11. 10 by 33 divided by, first to break this one, 2 11s are 22. 22 plus 8, it is what? 30. 30 by 11. Now what? 10 by 33 into 11 by 30. So 11 3s are 33, 10 3s are 30. So remain 1 by 9. 1 by 9 is the what? Required answer. Okay. Now come to question number 10. So question number 10, what is there? In question number 10, it is what, like this, 3 10a. Okay, 3 by 8 divided by 2 1 by 4. 2 1 by 4. Now what, you break this one. 3 8s are 24, 25, 26, 27. 27 by 8 divided by 4 2s are 8 and 1 9, 9 by 4. So 27 by 8 into 4 by 9. Now we cancel 4 2s are 8, 9 3s are 27. So remain what, 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 I can write in mixed fraction like this. 1 1 by 2. 1 1 by 2. Okay. Now come to question number, which one? Okay, let me show question number 10. Okay, sorry, question number C. 10 1 by 2 divided by 4 2 by 3. 10 1 by 2 divided by what? 4 2. 10 1 by 2 divided by 4 2 by 3. 4 2 by 3. So what, you see like this, 10 2s are 20, 21 by 2 divided by 4 3s are 12, 13 14, 14 by 3. Now 21 by 2 into 3 by 14. So this one I can cancel like this. 3 by what? 14. So I can cancel like this one. 7 2s are 7 3s are. Okay. Then 9 by 2. So this one I can write 2 4s are 8 and 1 9. 4 1 by. So this one, oh sorry, here it is what, 4 9 by 4. So it will be what, here will be 4, here will be 2. 4 2s are 8 and 1 9. So 2 1 by 4. 2 1 by 4 is the what, required answer. Now come to question number 11. These all are same. Okay, these all are same. So question number 11, what is there? In question number 11, what is there? Number A, 7 3 by 5 divided by 1 by 9. So it will be what? 7 7 5 are 35. 35 plus 3, 38 by 5 divided by 19. So 38 by 5 into 1 by 19. So 91 are 19, 19 2s are 38. So it is what? 2 by 5. That is what answer. 2 by 5 is the what? Required answer. Okay. Now come to what? Question number C. Okay. Question number B, C. 11. Let me show all. 24 1 by 5. Okay. Divided by what? 11. So you multiply this one. 24 into 5. It is what? 20 0. 10 5 2 are 10 11 12 120. 120 plus 1. It is what? 121 by 5. Divided by 11. So it is 121 by 5 into 1 by 11. So if we cancel, then 11 1s are 11 11s are what? 121. So it is 121 by 5. So this one I can write what? 5 2s are 10 and 1. Okay. 5 2s are 10 and 1. This one what? I have converted into what? Mixed fraction. So this is, so these things I am doing a bit fast. These things we have done earlier in what? In exercise C D, like this, in B C D. These things I have shown how to take into mixed fraction. Many sums we have done about these things. Okay. Now come to C. C, what is there? 12 divided by 1 1 by 5. Okay. 1 1 by 5. So it is what? 12 divided by, first to break this one, 5 1s are 5 and 1 6 by 5. Now what? 12 divided by 5 by 6. sorry, 12 into 5 by 6. It will get interchange. Okay, we will be taking the reciprocal of this one. Okay, now cancel. 6 1 are 6, 6 2 are 12. So remain 2 into 5. It is what? 10. So 10 is the what required answer. So 11 finished. Now come to 12. So 12, what is there? Fill in the blanks. Fill in the what? Blanks. So fill in the blanks. Okay, see question number 12. 1 by 3 into dash 1 by 6. So see. So 11, what is there? 1 by 3. Question number 12a. 1 by 3 into dash equals to what? 1 by 6. Okay. That means what? Suppose let me take an example of this one. 3 into how much it is what? 18. 3 into how much it is 18? 3 into how much it will make 18? With 3, what should be multiplied to get 18? Yes. With 3, 6 should be multiplied to get 18. So how we got 6? Yes, if we divide this 18 by 3, then 3 6 are 18. So here will be 6. Okay. So like this, here will be what? If you divide this 1 by 6 by this one, then what? We will get the answer. So write like this. 1 by 6 divided by 1 by 3. Then we will get the what? Required answer. So 1 by 6 into 3 by 1. 3 by 1 means what? 3 I can write. So 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. So it is what? 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 is the required answer. So I can write here what? 1 by 2. I can write here what? 1 by 2. Okay. Now come to question number 12. Let me show all. Okay. So number B, what? 1 by 4 into dash equals to 4. So it is same. Okay. Divide. 4 divided by 1 by 4. So what? 4 into 4. 4 into what? 4. So it will be what? 16. So here it will be what? 16. How? Now you check. If we cancel 4 4s are 16, they will come what? We'll get what? 4. Now come to C. In C, what is there? 2 1 by 3 into dash equals to what? 14. Into dash equals to what? 14. So it will be like this. So what? Just you what? Break this first. Okay. 3 2s are 6 and 1 7. 7 by 2 into how much? We'll get what? 14. So what? Just divide this one. It will be what? So this one you. Now what? Now you divide. 14 divided by 7 by 2. It will be at 14 into 2 by 7. So 7 1 7, 7 2 jar. So it is what? So it is what coming? 4. So what? Here it will be. So what? Two one by 3. 2 1 by 3 into dash equals to what? 14. Into dash equals to what? 14. So if I break 3 2 are 6 and 1 7, 7 by 2. So what coming here? 4. So let me check with 4. It is coming what? 2 1 by 3 into 4. What coming? Okay. 3 2 are 6 and 1 7 by 2 into what? 4. So 2 2 are 4. 7 into 2 it is what? 14. So it is what? 4 answer. So here what? 4 will come. Okay. So now come to question number D. So question number D is what? Dash into 12D. 12B what is given? Dash into 2 by 15. D. Dash into how much? 12 by 15. Equals to how much? 1 1 by 2. So again it is division. Again it is what? Again it is what? Division. So what? It will be what? First you break this one. So write exactly this one. 3 by 2. 3 by 2. Okay. Now what? 3 by 2 divided by 2 by 15. Now 3 by 2. 3 by 2 into 15 by 2. 3 by 2 into what? Into 15 by 2. So it will be what? We cannot cancel it. So it will be what? 45. 45 by 4. Okay. 45 by 4. So if you take into mixed fraction, it will be what? 4. Then 4 11s are what? 44, and 4 12s are 48. So 4 11s are 44. Remain 1. So 11 1 by 4 is the what? Required answer. So that is the what? Answer. Okay. So now come to exercise 8E. Exercise what? 8E. Let me check this one. 2 1 by 3 into what? 6. What comes? 3 2 are 6 and 1 7. Yes. You see, come to this question. Here some wrong is there. I think this one is very, this one wrong. Okay. Here 3 and I am dividing this one with 2. Okay. So it is wrong. So come to question number 12C. Once again 12C you correct it. 12C you correct it. 12C here you correct it. 12C you make correction. Okay. 2 1 by 3 into what? 2 1 by 3 into dash equals to 14. So what makes 14? So what? First you break this one. 2 3s are 6. 7 by 3. Earlier I have written what? 7 by 2. Now make it 3. Earlier I made mistakes. Okay. So into dash by 14. Now what? Now you will get the answer. Okay. So what? 7 by, so this one divide. So 14 divided by 7 by 3. Then what? Then we will get the answer. Now what you see? 14 into 3 by 7. So what? 7 1s are 7. Then 7 2s are 14. So what? 2 into 3, it is what? 6 answer. Answer is what? 6. Here you see answer is what? 6. Earlier it was wrong, you make correction. Okay. Again and again I am saying you make what? Correction. Earlier it was wrong. Now what? Here will be what? 6. This is the what? Answer. Earlier in place of 2 you write 3. Okay. Then you get the answer. Okay. Then come to question number, come to exercise 8E. So in exercise 8E what is there? On Sunday a restaurant had 100 guests. 13 by 20 of the guests were male. How many were female? So right, this is multiplication. So you see how to do. So question number exercise 8D, question number 12C, the correction one I have given here. Okay. So what? 8D. Okay, this one 8D. Okay. Exercise 8D. This one you correct it. Okay. Yeah, this is the answer. Okay. This one you correct it. Now come to correct one. This is what? Correct. Earlier it was what? Wrong. So now come to exercise 8E. On Sunday a restaurant had 100 guests. So what? Right, total number of guests. So it is what exercise 8E. It is the what last exercise for this chapter. Exercise 8E. Question number 1. So write total number of guests. Total numbers of guests in the restaurant. Total number of guests in the restaurant. Okay, now I am erasing this one. I hope you have written. So total number of guests in the restaurant will be what? It is given what? 100 guests. Okay, now the question is asked that fractions of the guest. So write, therefore write numbers of male guest will be what? Fraction given 3/20 of the total guest of 100. It will be what? It will be 3/20 of 100. How? Because this is what? Fraction of the male. This is given what? Not the total numbers of the male guest. It is given what? Fraction of the male. So it is what? Out of 100, 3/20 is what? Out of 100, what? 13/20 is the what? Male. So from this what I can find what? So you can write here 13/20 of the total guest. One line you can write total guest. Okay, so 13/20 of means into I have done in the earlier chapters. That is what earlier exercise of total guest. So total guest it is what? 100. Okay, so now you just cancel 2 0 0 cancel 2 1 2 2 5 10. So remain 13 into 5. It is what? 65. So what? 65 male guests. 65 what? Male guests. Now what? 65 male guests are there. Now the question is that how many were female? So from 100 if I subtract 65, then I will get what? Female. Because here we got what? 65 as a male and the total was 100. So from 100 if I subtract 65, then I will get what? Male. So write numbers of male guests equals to numbers of male guests. Sorry, numbers of female guests we need to find. Female guest, it will be what? 100 minus 65. Okay, it is what? 10, 5. Here remain 9. 9 minus 6, it is what? 3. Okay, and what? 35 female guests. 35 what? Female guests. So that is the what? Required answer. 35 what? Female guests. Okay. So 35 female guests were there. Okay. Now come to question number 2. Adi had ₹50. He spent 2/5 of it. How much money does he spend? What? He has total 50 rupees. And out of total 50 rupees, he what? Spent 2/5 of the total 50 rupees. So what was the amount he used? That means what? The fraction of the money he spent, it is given. Now what? Money spent equals to. So right. So question number. So it is what? Question number. It is 8E question number 1. 8E question number 1 finished. Now come to question number 2. So question number 2 what? You write. So question number 2 will be what? So in question number 2 what is given? Adi had right. Adi had total money. Adi had total money equals to how much? Rupees 50. All right, money spent by him. Right, fraction of money he used equals to what? 3/5. 3/5. Okay. Sorry, 2/5. 2/5. Okay. Now what? How much money does he spend? Therefore, number 1, he spent money equals to what? 2/5 of total money. Two by 5 of total money. Can you write rupees? Okay. So it will be rupees 2/5 into total money. How much? 50. So if we cancel, then 5 10 are 50. So rupees 2 into 10. It is what? Rupees 20. So this is the what? First answer. Rupees 20. Now how much money was left? So from 50, if I subtract this 20, then the money whatever left I will get. So what? Money left with Adi. Right. Therefore, number B I think it is. Yes, number B. Right. Money left with Adi equals to what? This 50 minus rupees 50. This is one answer. Okay. So rupees 50 minus 20. It is what? Rupees 30. So that is the answer. So rupees 50 minus 20. This is what? Rupees 30 is the what required answer, and the money whatever left with him. Okay. Now come to question number 3. The product of two fractions is 4. If one of them is 3/8, find the other fractions. Find the what? Other fraction. So the question is given what? The product of two fraction is 4. That means what? The product of two fractions. Suppose this is what? One fraction. Okay. These are one fractions. Two fractions. And the product, that means what? Multiplication is what? 4. Okay. And one fraction is given what? 3/8. One fraction given what? 3/8. Then find the other fractions. That means what? So if I do like this, that suppose 3 into what? It will make what? Suppose 27. That means what? With 3, what should be multiplied to get 27? That means what? If I divide this 27 by 3, then I will get 20. What? 3 9 are 27. That means what? Division. That means what? If you divide this 3/8, 4 by 3/8, then I'll what? Get the. Then I'll what? Get the answer. So see. So come to 3. So write. Given question number 3. Given product of two numbers. Given product of two numbers. Sorry, two fractions. Two fractions equals to what? 4. Therefore, one fraction equals to how much? 3/8. Now what? Find the other fraction. Therefore, other fraction will be 4 divided by 3/8. As I said earlier, that the product of two fraction, one is 3/8 into other we need to find, and the product is what? 4. So this one we need to find. So if we divide, then we get the answer, as I said earlier. Okay. So it is what? 4 into, if I take the reciprocal of this one, then 8/3. Okay. So it will be what? So it is what? So 32/3. So if I take into mixed fraction, then what? Actually 32 by 3 is the required answer. How? 4 8s are 32 by 3. So 3 how much? 3 10s are 30. 3 11s are 33. So 3 10s are 30. Remain 2. So what? That is the required fractions. And that is the what answer? That is the what answer? Answer is what? 10 2 by 3 is the what? Required fraction. Then the what? Other fraction is what? 10 2 by 3 is the what? Other fractions. Now come to question number 4. What number should be divided by 2 1 by 4 to get 2 by 3? So it is also same. What number should be divided by 2 1 by 4 to get what? To get 2 by 3. That means what? Again this is what? Multiplication. So you see question number 4, what is there? That what number should divided by auto? That means what? What number should be divided by auto? Divided by how much? Divided by 2 1 by 4 to get what? To get what? 2 by 3. Okay, so if I write this one like this, that which number should be divided by 2 1 by 4? Which number should be divided by what? 2 1 by 4? 2 1 by 4 to get what? 2 by 3. So if I do this one with a number, that suppose this one is a number and here what? I got what? 3. So what? Here suppose 5. Okay. So what? What number should be there? If I divide with 3, then I will get what? 5 as a what? Answer. That means what? How? It is 15. Because 15 5s are what? 3 5s are what? 15. So how you got? That means what? If you multiply these two. If you multiply these two, then you get what? 3 5s are 15. So if I put 15 here, then 15 what? 3 5s are 15. We are getting what? 5 as answer. That means what? I need to multiply these two. Okay, that means what? Here I need to multiply these two fractions. In the questions here, I need to multiply these two fractions. Understood? Okay, that is what here. Here you see, here 15 is not there. So which number should be divided by 3 to get answer is what? 5. So that means what? Here 15, because 3 5s are 15, we are getting what? 5 answer. So how we got? Yes, we can get like this by multiplying these two numbers, 3 and 5. So here in this case also what? I need to what? Multiply these two numbers, then I will get the what? Question. Okay, that means here what do you know? Here dividend is not given, divisor given, and the what? And the answer given. Divisor given and the what? Answer given. I need to what? Find. So if I multiply, then I will get the answer what? Divisor. We know that what? To find dividend what? We multiply what? The what? Divisor and the what? Question. And if the remainder remains, then what we add? And if the remainder remains 0, then what? Then we just multiply the divisor and the what? And the question, then we will get the what? Dividend. Okay. So in this case also it is same. So right. So question number 4, what? 4. So question number 4, right? Given like this, you can write given divisor close to what? 2 1 by 4. Okay. 2 1 by what number? So you don't write divisor. So write like this. Given. So directly you write. No need of writing this given. Okay. Directly you write. What number should be divided by? So write the required number. The required number equals to what? You just divide this one. Sorry, multiply 2 1 by 4 into 2 by 3. It is what? 4 2s are 8 and 1 9. 9 by 4 into 2 by 3. So 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. and 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. We are getting what? 3 by 2. That means what? If I take into mixed fraction, then 2 1s are 2 and 1 remain. That is the what? Required number. So this is the what? Required number. If you multiply this one, then I shall get. Now you can check also. With this you can check also. What is there? With this what? You can check. You'll get the what? Answer. Now what? Now come to question number what? 5. So in question number 5, what is there? Question number 5, how many 1/4 are there in 3? That means what? In 3, how many 1/4 are there? How many 1/4? That means what? How many 1/4 makes 3? How many 1/4 makes 3? That means what? Suppose, so what? If I say that, suppose this is a number and 10. So if I say how many 2 are there in number 10? 2 plus 2, 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. That is what? 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 2, 10. That means what? How many 2 are there? 5 2s are there, because 5 2s make what? 10. So like this, that means what? So if I divide by 2, then what? I shall get what? 5 easily, by without writing this one. That means what? How many 1/4 are there in 3? That means what? If I divide this 3 by 1/4, then I'll get the answer. So right. So question number 5. So right. So right, numbers of 1/4 in 3. Number of 1/4 in 3 equals to what? 3 divided by 1 by 4. So it will be what? 3 into 4 by 1. It is what? 12 by 1. 12 by 1 means what? It is 12. So what? 12 is the result. 12 answer. Okay. So question number 5 finished. Understood? As I said earlier. Okay. That means what? If I say that how many 2s are there in 10, that means what? If I divide 10 by 2, then I'll get. So how many 1/4 are there in 3? That means what? If I divide 3 by what? 1/4, then I'll get the result. How many what? 12 1/4. That means what? Like this. If you add 1/4, 1/4, 1/4 12 times, then we'll get what? 3. Or you can check like this. 1/4 how many times are there? 1/4 how many times? 12 times there. That is what? Into 12. Now you can sell 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12. That is what? 3 coming or not? You see, answer is 3 coming. Okay, so it is correct. Okay. So now come to question number 6. Bimol walks 4 1/4 kilometer in every day. What distance does he walk in 12 days? So it is easy. That is what? Suppose you read what? 5 pages every day. So how many pages you will read in what? 3 days. So 15 pages, because 5 in 1 pages, another 5 in 1 pages, another 5 in another 5 in another day. So if you read 5 pages of your book daily, then how many pages you will read in what? How many pages you will read in what? 3 days. That is what? 5 into 3. It is what? 15 pages you will read. So like this, what? In one day he walks what? 1/4 kilometer. So what? In 12 days, how much? In 12 days, what? How much? How many kilometers you will walk? So right. It is what? Division. It is what? Division. So write question number 6. Right. Bimol walks every day. Bimol walks every day equals to what? 4 1/4 kilometer. Okay. Therefore Bimol walks in 12 days. It will be what? 4 1/4 into what? 12 kilometer. Okay. 4 1 by 4 12 kilometers. Two questions remain only. 4 1 by 4 4 1 by 4 into 12 kilometers. So 4 4 are 16 17 by 4 into what 12 kilometers. Okay, so it will be what 4 3 are 12, so it is what 17 into 3 kilometer, so it is what 51 kilometer. That is the what required answer. That means what you will walk what distance does he walk in 12 days. So it is what you will walk, right? Therefore Bimal will walk equals to what 51 kilometer, and that is the what required answer. Now come to question number 7. So one question remain only, question number 8. So see question number 7, what is there? A container has 5 1 by 4 liter of milk. Okay, that means what a container has what 5 1 by 4 liter of milk. That means what in this container 5 1 by 4 liter of milk are poured. Okay, now the milk is to be poured into what bottles of capacity 3 by 4 liter. How many bottles will be needed? So it is C. Suppose let me draw some figures. Okay, suppose this is a what container. Okay, this is a what container. So in this container the capacity of this container is suppose what 12. Okay, and in the question it is asked that you have what small container. Okay, you have what one small container, and which can hold how many, which can hold what 12 liter, it is of 12 liter, and the small container which can hold what 4 liter, which can hold what 4 liter what milk, 4 liter milk. Then to pour this, how many small liters of container will be needed? Okay, how many bottles will be needed? How many to pour this? How many how many small container will be needed? Okay, that means what if you divide by this one, then you would get, because what the whole is what 12, and the small container what capacity is what 4. So if I divide this one, then we will get what 3. That means what like this, if I take 3 container which is of 4 liter, then I can what, then I can keep this 12 liter what milk in this 3 container. How much? Yes, 4 liter. Okay, 4 plus 4 8 plus 4 it is 12. Okay, understood. So like this, here it is here I have taken 12 and 4 as an example, but here in this it is given as a fraction, nothing more than that. But I need to what, the main thing is that what I need to divide. So right, you see, right, at capacity of the main container, number 7, right, capacity of the, you write big container, you can write big, capacity of the what, big container, capacity of the big container equals to what 5 1 by 4 liter. Okay, capacity of big container is what 5 1 by 4 liter. Now write capacity of small container. I have taken this one from my own. Okay, this is big and this one what small. Whatever I have said earlier, it is of what 4 liter. Okay, so capacity of small container capacity of what small container, it is given what, how much, it is given what 3 by 4 liter. That means what this is the what big container. Okay, and it can hold what 5 1/4 liter, and the small one can hold how much? Small one can hold how much? 3/4 liter. Then how many such small container will be needed to pour this one? Yes, if we divide, then what? Divide. So right, how many bottles will be needed? So right, numbers of small bottles so here you write capacity of capacity of the bottles. Don't write container, here it is given bottles like this. Okay, so right, numbers of small bottles needed will be what? Division. Okay, that means what? Divide this one, the bigger one, 4 1/4 divided by 3/4. Here you write what? Liter. Now what? Divide if you then 5 4s are 20, 21. 21/4 divided by what? Divided by 3/4. Okay. Now what? Now we divide. So it will be 21/4 into 4/3. 4/3. So 4 cancelled. 4 what? Cancelled. 5 1/4. So what? 5 4s are 20 and 21/4, and it is what? 3/4 will get changed. It will come what? 3/4 will come what? 4/3. Now what coming? So it is what coming? 5 1/4 liter and what? 3/4. It is coming what? So So 3 1s are 3 3, 3 7s are 21. It is what? 7 bottles. 7 bottles. 7 bottles. Okay. So it is what? It is what? 7 bottles. Okay. So write here answer what? 7 bottles. How? I have cancelled 4. 4 cancelled. 3 1s are 3. 3 7s are 21. So what? 7 bottles needed. So that is the what? Answer. 7 bottles. Okay. Now come to the last question for today. Okay. So what is there? Joya went to buy 5 kg of salt. She got 2 3/4 kg packets of salt. The rest of the salt she bought. The rest of the salt she bought in half kg packets. How many half kg packets did she buy? So what? How many half kg packet did she what? Buy? So it is easy. What? First what? First Joy went to buy what? 5 kg salt. So what? So 5 kg salt what? She went to market to buy. But what? Going to market, she got what? 2 3/4 kg of packets. Okay, that means what? But going to market, she got what? She bought 2 packets of salt, which is what? 3/4. The amount of salt he bought what? 2 packets, 3/4, and the rest of the salt she bought in half kg packets, and the rest of the salt he bought in what? Half kg packets. Then how many half kg packets did she buy? So it is easy. From 5 we'll subtract this. After that, the remaining whatever remain, the fraction whatever remain, that I shall divide by half. Then I'll get the what? Answer. So see. Now write. So write number 8. Joya went to buy salt equals to 5 kg. But what? She got 2 3/4 kg of packets. So write. She bought salt equals to what? 2 packets of 2 3/4 kg. 2 3/4 2 packets. Okay, that means what? 3/4 he bought what? 2 packets. So what, we'll add this one. Okay, now you write what? Now write money is salt left with Joya. Now write, therefore salt left with Joya will be what? 5 minus this one, 3/4 plus 3/4. Or here also you can do like this. What? 2 packets of what? 3/4 he bought. So you can multiply this one. So you write this one. It will be easy. It will be easy. He got what? 2 packets of 3/4 kg. Okay. 2 packets of 3/4 kg he bought. Okay. So if you multiply, then what? 3 2s are 6. Okay. Then 6/4 kg. So this one I can cancel like this. 2 3s are 6 and 2 3/4. 3 2s are 6. So it will be what? So it will be what? 3 2s are 6, 2 2s are 4. It is what? It will be what? 3/2. So you solve this one first. Write like this. 3 2s are 6, or you can cancel like this. Okay. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So remain what? 3/2 kg. Okay. So I can write this one in mixed fraction. 2 1/2 kg. Okay. 2 1s are 2 and 1. Okay. So 2 1s are 2 and remaining 1. 2 1s are 2, 1 3. Okay. 3/2 kg. Okay. Now what? That is what? She bought what? 1/2 kg salt with the packets of 3/4 packet. Okay. 2 packets she bought. So the amount of 2 packets will be 1.5 kg. 1.5 kg. Okay. Now what? Now from 5 kg, if I subtract 1.5 kg, then how many kg will remain? Yes, 4.5 kg. So let us check. So write salt left with Joya will be what? 5 minus this fraction. So this one I am writing directly this fraction. Okay, let me write 1/2. Okay, kg. 1/2 kg. So this one if I solve, then 5 minus 3/2 kg. Okay. So come here. After that you come here. So I can write what? If I take LCM, then 2. Then 5 2s are what? 10. Then what? 2 directly, so 7. It is what? Kg. Now what? 7/2 kg. So 7/2 kg I can write what? 2 3s are 6, 1 remain. Okay. 3 1/2 kg. Now what? Now this 3 1/2 kg, so what remain? What? 3 1/2 kg. So what? 3 1/2 kg. 3 1/2 kg remain. 7/2. Okay. 3 1/2 kg remain, and this 3 1/2 kg she bought what? She bought in what? Half kg. So here you see, in 3 how many half kg will be there? Yes, 1 kg, 2 half, 2 kg, 4 half, 3 kg. How many halves? 3 kg, 6 half, and 1 half, 7 half. That means what? 7 times 7 half kgs he took. So how? Let us find. We'll divide it. Right. Okay. Now write here. After that, from there you come to there. Now what? How many half kg packets did she buy? So write numbers of half packets she bought equals to what? This one divided by half. So 3 1 by 2 divided by what? Half. It will be what? 3 2 are 6, 7 by 2 into what? 2 by 1. That means what? I can cancel 2 to remain what? 7 by 1. 7 by 1 means what? 7 kg, and that is the what? Required answer. 7 kg, and that is the what? Required answer. So what? So today up to this, okay, and this is the end of chapter number 8. So in the next class I shall start a what? New chapter. Okay, thank you very much. And if you find any problem regarding today's class, then you can call me.